Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Jillian and today we are going to be talking about different ways that you can use your phone to make money. Talking on the phone. If you're new to this channel, here at Jillian Shanahan, we talk about different ways that you can make money working from home. And I usually focus my videos on teaching online because that's what I enjoy doing. So today we're going to talk about Palfish Freetalk, what it is, the different ways that you can use Freetalk, and how to make money using Freetalk. Make sure you click subscribe to this channel because we have some really cool things coming for the rest of the month of July. I've got videos coming out every day for the rest of July to help you up your bookings and up your income. So when you start working at Palfish, or if you're interested in working at Palfish, there are two different ways that you can earn money. The first way, and that's the way that I've always earned money through Palfish, is through the official kids course. In order to do the official kids course, you have to pass the interview. And sometimes when teachers don't pass the interview, they'll say, sorry, but you can teach Palfish Freetalk if you'd like to. Or some teachers who are not native English speakers are able to teach Palfish Freetalk. And then there are those teachers that just choose to teach Palfish Freetalk, which, by the way, I've got a special treat coming for you sometime in a couple of days. I'm actually going to be interviewing a successful Palfish Freetalker who knows more than I do about it, so I'm really excited to show this to you. So the first way that you can earn money through Palfish Freetalk is by clicking that green Start Tutoring button. That Start Tutoring button is going to allow you to take incoming calls. Now these calls can be either video or audio, and you can talk to Chinese English learners, both children and adult, who are just looking for a teacher to help them improve their conversational English. The second way that you can earn money through Palfish Freetalk is by creating a lesson. So you can create a lesson in a couple of different ways. The first way that you can create a lesson is by making a Palfish Freetalk bundle. So basically you're going to create the lesson, you'll make it as a Freetalk package, and you'll make it a little bit cheaper than your rate per minute if they were to just call you otherwise. That way they are getting a deal by buying a package from you. And the next way, which I'm just starting to get into right now, I'm looking more into it because I realize there's no information on it, so I really wanted to learn this myself so that I could help you. The other way that you could do it is by creating Palfish seminars. And this is really cool because it's basically like what we're doing on OutSchool if you're already an OutSchool teacher. If you're not an OutSchool teacher, I've got a link in the description box below that's going to help you sign up to be an OutSchool teacher, and I've got other videos on that. That's a whole other topic. But if you are already an OutSchool teacher, you're familiar with it, you can teach group lessons on Palfish to groups of 2 to 6 students. You set your rate per student, the students join in, and you can teach a group of students. These lessons are typically a little bit harder to get approved than, say, like a regular Freetalk package. You can also open your schedule. If you are not an official kids course teacher, so you've created your profile and you've either gotten a conditional like welcome to Palfish, you can open your schedule for Freetalk. You haven't done the interview yet, but you got that message. If you open your schedule, you can open it up for Freetalk. Or if you are an official kids course teacher, you want to make sure that you open it up to all students. So when you go into your scheduler, you will see a little fish on your schedule days that you have open. You want to click that and open it up to all students. Get that fish off there because that fish symbolizes that time slot can only be taken by an official kids course student. And if you want to do Freetalk, you want to make sure that the slots that you would like to do for Freetalk, that those can be booked by Freetalk students as well. I do recommend that if you're focusing on the official kids course, which is my preferred way of teaching on Palfish, that you keep that time slot closed to Freetalk if it is a peak hour, because the Freetalk students can cancel and then you don't have the ability to get an official kids course student in there, and now you have lost your ability to teach that time slot unless you happen to get lucky and get a pop-up. If you haven't gotten hired yet for the official kids course, make sure that you don't open these hours unless you're ready to work Freetalk because they can book. Now, if you are teaching these seminars, which are groups of 2 to 6 students, if you're teaching these, you probably don't want to teach a class with 6 students on your phone, if you're teaching on your cell phone, just because their pictures are going to be so small, I would prefer to teach it either on a larger iPad or on your PC. For free talk lessons, you can teach them on your PC, you can teach them on your laptop. There's no issues with it because there are no filters or games or anything to play anyways. It's just the lesson content that you upload. So the slides that you upload and however you do it. I know sometimes with the lives, there's an issue. One way, if you go in there, you can't see the slides, and the other way, if you go in there, you can see the slides. With Free Talk, when you create a seminar or a lesson like this, you can see the slides whether you go in through your lessons or through your schedule. The cool thing about Free Talk is you get to set what you're going to teach. You get to determine how many students you're going to teach, and you also get to determine what you get paid. With Palfish Free Talk, Palfish does take 20% of the lessons income. So when you're scheduling this and you're determining what you want to set for the price, make sure that you're getting paid what you're worth by factoring that 20% in. You will get paid the same time that everybody else, like the official kids course teachers, are paid. And that will be the 7th of every month. You have to have at least 200 RMB in your wallet, and 200 RMB equals to about $28-ish in American currency. And you will be paid via Payoneer. If you're going to do this and you don't already have a Payoneer account, make sure you use the link in the description box of this video, because after you earn your first $1,000, there is a bonus that comes to you if you use someone's referral link. I did not do that, and I wish I had. Free money. That's all I've got for you today on Free Talk. I've got some more coming later on this week, and I am really excited to share I'm really excited to share it with you. And my baby woke up. So I'll see you guys all later. Bye.